Kyle Terrell for Capstone Project 3, and what I'm going to do is show you how to make a collage. And by the way, I am using QuickTime Player, which allows me to stream my desktop live, so that's a great function. So what we're going to do is I took some pictures out of some old archives I have of a vacation that I took a while back, St. Simon's Island in Georgia. And what we're going to do is we're going to go to PowerPoint and just open up a blank sheet here. And so what I'm going to do, the first thing I'm going to do is I am going to take these pictures and just drag them in there, and we can configure them later. 3 and this one. Okay, so I brought 4 pictures in, and now I'm just going to, if you click at the edge here, you can drag it inward and make them smaller so that we can organize them a little better. Move this one over here and drag them down. Whoop. And we're going to drag this one down, and we got one more. Palm trees. Okay, now we can work with this. So we'll put this here, and you can kind of configure them however you like. And I'll put these ones together because they kind of look the same. And they can kind of be sloppy like this because I'm gonna show you how to edit it further. Now I do like to make them a little neater. Okay, that went a little too much. Down here. We can move that over. Okay, so we have a collage here, and obviously yours, this is just to demonstrate how to do it. But now what I'm going to do is I am going to go to slideshow right here, click on that, and I'm going to play the slideshow from the current slide, and that's going to give us a big picture of what we have. Now, to transfer this, if I'm on a Mac, so I'm gonna take a screenshot of this, and I'm gonna hit Command-Shift-3, and if you heard that little click, it took a screenshot of this exact screen. So hit Escape, and I'm gonna put PowerPoint down, and now I'm going to find my screenshot, which is here. This is my screenshot, and I'm going to just open it. Okay, so what I have it in is I opened it in preview, and that means if I click on this toolbox, I can edit it. And really what I'm going to do is crop it so that it is 930 by 250. And I'm going to show you how to crop this. So this little plus sign is our cropping tool, and I'll show you how to do it. So I'm going to drag it from about here, and you can tell it's showing us our dimensions as we move it. So we want to pull it all the way over here to about 930. There's 930, and then we want to go down to 250, 50, and 930. Great. Okay, so I'm going to stop. And I'm going to go, and I have this highlighted now. Now I'm going to hit this. This is the crop. Okay, so now it gives us this picture. And this picture alone, I'm going to go up here to File, and I'm going to export this picture. So I'm going to click Export, and now I'm going to show you what to do here. So screenshot, so I'm just going to name this, so this is going to be Capstone 3, let's say. And I'm going to export it to my desktop. Now here's what we're going to do different. We're going to format, we're going to drop down and make it a JPEG. Okay, so now we have it as a JPEG. Great. And I even like to be specific. So now we're going to save it. It's going to save on our desktop. Great. Okay, now where is our JPEG? I believe this is, we put it in here, Capstone3. Here is our Capstone3. So I'm going to go back to PowerPoint, and I'm going to go ahead and let's just go home and make a new slide. And we want to delete this. So I just clicked on the borders and clicked delete, and then once again, if you just click where this arrow is and delete, now we have a perfectly blank slide. Now I'm going to drag our capstone right into the slide. There, fits perfectly. Let's move it up here, or let's move it here. Now I'm going to show you how to impose text on it. So right here, there's a toolbar up here where my mouse is. You can drop this down and have a text box. And we can put it anywhere we want. So let's put it up here in the sky. And we're going to put my name, Kyle Terrell, and let's we can go ahead and edit that a little, make it a little nicer. How about let's make it a 28, and we'll make it bold. And underline it? No, no underline. Okay, so that's good. And we'll move it up here in the sky so it's nice and visible. And then let's do one more text box, okay? So let's insert another text box. And let's put it down here in the shadows. And a little up. Okay, and then we're going to put DePaul University. And let's grab this text box and go ahead and move it up a little. And then let's highlight the text, and we'll make this text white. Yeah, so it's nice and visible. And we'll make that 24 and bold. And we'll move it up a little so it's nice and visible. There, now we have Kyle Terrell, DePaul University. Now, I think that, and then that, now we can go ahead and screenshot this. So we'll go Command Shift. Oh no, let's make this big again. So let's go ahead and go to slideshow. And from current slide, okay, now we got this great thing. Whoop. Current slide. Okay, Command Shift 3. So that took another screenshot. Now let's hit exit. And where is our screenshot with Kyle Terrell? Well, I've been doing projects all day, so I have a bunch of screenshots. Let's see. Oh, there we go. And then you can go ahead and just crop it again. Like that. Oh, it's still, see, now it's big again. Okay, so now we want to still go down to 930 and 250. We're barely going to get our DePaul. Okay, there. And now crop that. And there you have it. And then all we have to do with that is file and export it again, and that'll shoot it out onto our desktop, and then we can use that any way we like. So that's my instruction video for you. I'm going to go ahead and close this, and I'm going to stop recording. Thank you for watching.